You've seen the born-again Steve McQueen putting the Puma through its paces in Ford's TV ads for their new coupe. But the Puma Evolution rally car is a long way from the svelte coupe Steve uses to cruise round downtown San Francisco in the Bullet-style TV ads. The Evolution is a fully prepared rally car, intended to compete in both national and international rallying championships and mix it with the state-of-the-art rally missiles from all the other manufacturers. There are just two versions of the road-going Puma, a 1400cc and a 1700cc version, but the Evolution offers a rather longer optional extras list. You can still choose from the same 14 or 1700 engines, but they've both been treated to a thorough going over by Ford Motorsport, who've managed to squeeze 150 horsepower out of the 1400 and well over 200 horsepower from the 1700. If that's still not enough, there's a balls-out, no-holds-barred version called the Puma Prototype, which is aimed at the more extreme fringes of motorsport, like ice racing and hill climbing. Sitting on the four-wheel drive hardware from the Escort World Rally car, the Prototype comes with a list of engine options as long as your arm, including a 2-litre version of the Z-Tech engine or Ford's Duratec V6, both putting out around 300 horsepower. All the cars share similar bodywork, which means a dose of muscle for the Puma's fashionable curves. The international rallying regulations allow the engineers to really pump up the width of the bodywork, which means the rally Pumas can run on anything up to massive 9 by 18-inch wheels. Apart from those flared wheel arches, the cars also feature a deep front spoiler and a massive rear wing. The Puma also has bonnet vents big enough to lose an arm in to let all that heat out. With a 300 horsepower V6 under the front end, you'll probably need them too. Just don't try asking for one down at your local Ford dealer.